you're probably going to start to notice really quickly that we're going to be doing a lot of these same things in the bar chart that we did in the line chart to get started. Now, we could have taken the class approach and had like a base class and then extended these classes from that class, but I think it's good practice just for this to get you some repetition of how these things are working, and then you can kind of branch off and create your own little kind of style of doing things. So let's get started with our background. We are going to say use gradient background equals true. I do want to kind of try to keep some of the same names. So we'll say we'll have a background color. We'll just start copying from over here. And we'll go ahead and grab the background border radius. Copy that. Let's put these in here. And we'll make this background color. And we'll make this SVG background color. Whoops. This one right here. And then inside of our SVG, we'll create our defs, our linear gradient with an ID. What was the ID we used over here? Let's try to keep it all very similar. Gradient back. Actually, we'll just grab all of this and put this right here. We'll go ahead and grab our stops. We'll put those in here. And let's go grab our background gradient config. And we'll do a little bit of copying and pasting to get everything started, just so we can keep a little bit of consistency here. Because if we're adding the charts over here, I want the user to kind of feel like it's like a one-stop shop. We just keep repeating the same things. So here we'll put this here. And if we now save that, getting a white background. Oh, because we never rendered it. Ha ha. So underneath our defs, I'm going to say render background. And then up here, let's collapse our styles a little bit. And here we're just going to return rect. We'll say the X is going to be 0, I believe. The Y is going to be 0. Height is going to be container. Height, width, container, width. Fill. It's going to equal some backticks, URL. Gradient back. And Rx equals background border radius. Let's save that. And of course, prettier's man. So I have one too many parentheses in here. There we go. We get a little light background there. Not too bad. probably, we have a stop off or something like that. Yep. Offset 0. We should probably fix that in our line chart as well while we're doing it. I think the reason we didn't notice that before is because we went ahead and added all the stuff over here, and these were right. So there's our background gradient. And yeah, next we'll move on to drawing our axes, and then we'll just keep kind of building ourselves up until we get back to the good stuff of drawing the bars and then animating the bars and stuff like that.